Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V11 CD player, stereo, speaker, Bluetooth speaker, etc. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker, not pairing or syncing to a Bluetooth device, or if it's not playing the music, if the CD player won't eject, all these kind of issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all the settings and pairings will be wiped off of it, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get everything wiped off of it and get it back to the way it was when it was new, we can do that really easily. All we need to do is start by just turning it off, unplugging it, and then plugging it back in and turning it back on. And once that has happened, we're just going to come and we're going to find the stop button over here and the minus folder button over here. And just press and hold those two buttons simultaneously and just keep pressing it until you see the word reset appear on the display up here, at which point you can just release the buttons, allow it to do its thing, then you can turn it back on and set it up as a new stereo.